Yes, I'm back, babies. Yeah, so this is one of my waka waka videos. Yeah. So Cross River State. First of all, Cross River State makes sense on a unique level because I've traveled a lot. To different places, to the east, to the west, to the north, to the south, and everything. But nothing quite struck me like Cross River State because they had a lot of mountains, and you could see trees on mountains like grasses, like it was just all over the place. Vegetation was just everywhere. So it made sense. And I was, how did I even get to Cross River State? Yeah, I was posted to serve NYSC. You understand? So, and I say, okay, let me visit Obudu cattle ranch. So, but everybody on the talk say Obudu cattle ranch don't make sense. Say you don't cast, be as it be before. You understand? And everybody when they talk all these things, it be like say they don't go there before. For the glory days, you don't come back, So I was about to leave Cross River State and I was like, should I leave Cross River State with hearsay with what people are saying about Obudu cattle ranch? So I decided to go there by myself. But not really by myself, with some friends of mine who were coming at the time too. So we went there, yeah, it is what it is. Cable cannot work again. So many things are wrong, but man, the view is mad. Like we had mad fun, like crazy fun. I recorded some videos. Some of them I was shouting anyhow because I was scared. So if it were you too, you'd be scared. But I recorded some videos, so that in case you have not been to Obudu cattle ranch, in my next video I will direct you on wherever you're coming from, the country or outside the country, if you like Nigeria. Amen.
Cattle ranch, everybody. I'm here. And the landscape is amazing. Yeah, we're here. Yes, it pays to be a copper in this country. Amen. And this is exactly. This is the only thing I've enjoyed from being a copper in this country. Aside from the fact say they not agree pay us 30,000. Imagine as in there. But anyway, so we are in Obudu cattle ranch, and this place is already amazing already, and we are not done. We have not even started.
This is the best copper visitation to the ranch.
Exactly. You should come here. If you haven't come here and you're in Cross River, you should come here. You should.
Okay. I know I said I will show you directions in the next video, but I think it will be too stressful, I beg. So let me just do it sharp like that. So if you are going to Cross River, the first thing you should just understand is Cross River is far from everywhere. It's far. That place is far. It's far, big. So even if you say you want to take flights from anywhere, you have to get to Calabar, right? And Calabar to Obudu is about 6 hours, so it's still far. Like inside one state, that place is a country, man. Inside one state, you're traveling 6 hours. That is like distance from Benin to Lagos. So just put down for your mind, say you will spend like 1 day if you go Cross River. Understand? Okay. So anywhere you're coming from, you get to Onitsha first. If you're coming from Lagos, Ogun State, wherever you're coming from in the southwestern region, you get to Onitsha first, right? So when you get to Onitsha, just take what you call that bus again. Onitsha South. Onitsha South. I think Onitsha South to Obudu They're the only ones that go to Obudu straight from Onitsha. So I think it's 2,800 naira to 3,000 naira now. So 3,000 naira will take you from Onitsha to Obudu straight. But if you are coming from Abuja, the north area, Abuja, Jos, Plateau, you just shall get to Abuja first. When you get to Abuja first, then you take Benue links, right? You enter Benue links, and then they will stop you at maybe the capital Makurdi. You stop at Makurdi, and then you take a bus from Makurdi to Obudu. You get, so that's it. But just know it's far, like, it's far. But if you are really a stickler for the view, if you really want to have a nice time just viewing, what God has created, then it's worth it. Trust me, it is. It's worth it. So once you don't reach Obudu, you just, if you are a visitor, you just book a hotel or something in the Obudu main town, because the cattle ranch is not actually in the main town. The cattle ranch is not in the main town. It's in another local government, Obanliku local government, but they just decided to keep the name Obudu Cattle Ranch because of the theme. You get, but it's another local government entirely. So when you get to Obudu, you just book a hotel. That is if maybe you're not a core member or something. But if you're a core member, just any one of the family houses, NCCF, the Catholic family houses, the Anglican family houses, they will accept you. You get, just you're a core member, you want to visit Obudu Cattle Ranch, they'll keep you in, they'll put you in for the day and everything. So once you've gotten there, you book the hotel. About 5,000 naira should book a hotel for you. Yeah, so just talk to one of the locals there. They'll tell you, okay, this is how we do it, this is how we do it. But basically, you take a bike to the Army Junction, and then from there you see cabs that take you to the cattle ranch. And then, but you should go in the morning so that you spend time, just bask in the ambience of the views. So that's it. That's it. If you are going to Obudu Cattle Ranch, I've given you directions. Don't ask me anything again.
I'm in the sky, baby. I am in the sky. We are in the sky.
I'm tired though.
We can't see anything from here.
Glad we always see.
How beautiful is this?
Oh my goodness, it's too beautiful.
It's beautiful.
I'm not even allowed to get tired.
So has Obudu Cattle Ranch lost its glory?
No!
It hasn't, right?
It has.
To you, it hasn't.
It has.
Yeah.
Already in the class.
I'm not allowed to get tired today.
This is
I refuse
amazing.
to get tired.
Amazing.
Please! Someone should give me strength. Wow, it's really nice there. Like, it's what? It's really what?
So, we're heading to the canopy walk right now, and I'm helping myself to some juicy snails. It makes sense, you actually. You should try it. When you come here, you should try it. Canopy walk, everybody. This is gonna be amazing. Trust me. Obudu Cattle Ranch has been blowing my mind. It has been blowing my mind. It has been blowing our mind.
Our mind.
Like, this is great. Okay.
It feels good to be here, please.
Wait, did she just say that?
Point of view right now, because from everything I've seen right here, except you're not a nature lover, technically, because I heard the cable car no longer works and a lot of infrastructural developments have been stalled. You get bored. If you're not a nature lover, don't come to the Cattle Ranch. But if you love nature, this is the place to be. Okay. Going to the canopy walk. To the canopy walk. Hey guys. Hey guys. It's actually a video. What are you guys expecting from the canopy walk? Are you guys actually going to be on it? I'm not going to be on it. I'll just be snapping you people. Okay. This is the canopy walk. Okay, we are at the canopy walk and people are scared. I am not actually. Please walk now, walk. Come on. Walk forward, Joe. I'm using just one handle. Hey, Jesus. Okay. I think I'll have to hold my video here. Okay, this is officially the scariest adventure of my life right now. The canopy walkway was scary as shit. If you are scared of heights, please don't try this at home. Do not try this anywhere. Like, Jesus Christ. I almost threw up. Like, I couldn't look down. But it's still fun, Sha, at the end of the day. It's still fun. You should try it. You should try it. The adrenaline pump, the adrenaline rush. It's amazing. Woo! Good evening, everybody! Yeah, walking back from the canopy.
Yeah, I know that can do this.
Who knew? Who knew? I didn't even know. I was so scared. Being scared, as in being scared is an understatement. Oh my God! Woo!
Yes! Amen!
This is amazing. Yeah, another word, really. The sun is out. The sun is out. Beautiful. This is amazing. Amazing. Almost 2,500 feet above sea level. This is me walking away from Obudu cattle ranch. Yes. Till we meet again, baby. Till we meet again. Obudu cattle ranch. You were nice.